This information is for educational purposes only. I do not condone illegal activities. Hacking without permission is a crime. This essay aims to educate about hacking techniques to improve cybersecurity awareness. Understanding how hackers operate is crucial for effective defense. By learning their tactics, we can better protect ourselves. Remember, knowledge is power in the digital age. This essay will delve into the world of hacking apps. We'll explore their functionality, dangers, and how to stay safe. Let's begin our journey into the world of cyber threats. Hacking apps are a serious and growing danger in our interconnected world. They are readily available on the dark web and through illicit channels. These apps provide even novice attackers with powerful tools. These apps can steal data, spy on users, and control devices remotely. They can target individuals, businesses, and even governments. The threat is real, and the consequences can be severe. In the wrong hands, these apps can wreak havoc. They can disrupt critical infrastructure, steal financial information, and compromise national security. It is crucial to understand this threat and take steps to mitigate it. Hacking apps exploit vulnerabilities in software and human behavior. These apps are crafted by cybercriminals who are constantly on the lookout for weaknesses in the digital landscape. They meticulously analyze software and systems to find any loopholes that can be exploited. They might use a security flaw in an operating system or a popular app. For instance, a minor bug in an app's code can be a gateway for hackers to infiltrate your device. These flaws are often unknown to the developers and users, making them prime targets for exploitation. They can also trick users into installing malware through phishing emails or malicious links. These emails often appear to be from trusted sources, luring users into a false sense of security. Once the link is clicked, the malware is silently installed, giving hackers access to your device. Once installed, these apps can operate discreetly in the background. They are designed to be unobtrusive, running silently without drawing attention. This allows them to gather information over an extended period without being detected. They can steal data, record keystrokes, and even hijack your camera and microphone. This means that every password you type, every conversation you have, and every piece of personal information stored on your device can be accessed by the hacker. You might be completely unaware that your device is compromised. These apps are designed to blend in seamlessly with legitimate software, making it difficult for the average user to notice anything amiss. These apps are designed to be stealthy and difficult to detect. Cybercriminals use advanced techniques to ensure their malware remains hidden from antivirus programs and security scans. This makes it challenging even for cybersecurity experts to identify and remove the threat. They often disguise themselves as legitimate apps, making them even more dangerous. For example, a seemingly harmless game or utility app could be a front for malicious software. Users download these apps, unaware of the hidden dangers lurking within. Staying vigilant and practicing good cybersecurity hygiene is essential. Regularly updating your software, being cautious of unsolicited emails, and using strong, unique passwords can help protect you from these threats. Additionally, installing reputable security software and being aware of the latest cybersecurity trends can further safeguard your digital life. Let's look at some notorious hacking tools. These tools have been used by both ethical hackers and cybercriminals to test and exploit vulnerabilities in various systems. Understanding these tools is crucial for anyone interested in cybersecurity, as they highlight the methods and techniques used in both protecting and attacking digital infrastructures. These examples highlight the capabilities of these malicious apps. They can range from simple scripts to complex software designed to infiltrate and control systems. The sophistication of these tools has grown over the years, making it easier for even novice hackers to cause significant damage. Metasploit is a popular framework used to develop and execute exploits against vulnerabilities. It is widely used by security professionals for penetration testing and by hackers to find and exploit weaknesses in systems. Metasploit's extensive library of exploits and payloads makes it a powerful tool in the hands of both defenders and attackers. Another example is Wireshark, a network protocol analyzer. This tool allows users to capture and interactively browse the traffic running on a computer network. It is invaluable for network troubleshooting, analysis, and software development. but it can also be used by hackers to intercept and analyze network traffic. Hackers can use it to capture and analyze network traffic, potentially exposing sensitive data. By examining the data packets, they can uncover usernames, passwords, and other confidential information being transmitted over the network. This makes Wireshark a double-edged sword in the realm of cybersecurity. These are just two examples of the many tools at a hacker's disposal. Other notable tools include Nmap for network discovery and security auditing, John the Ripper for password cracking, and Aircrack-Eng for wireless network security testing. Each tool serves a specific purpose and can be used in various stages of a cyber attack or defense strategy. These tools are not inherently malicious. They can be used for ethical hacking and security testing. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use these tools to identify and fix security vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them. This proactive approach helps organizations strengthen their security posture and protect sensitive data. However, in the wrong hands, they pose a significant threat. Cybercriminals, or black hat hackers, use these same tools to infiltrate systems, steal data, and cause disruptions. The line between ethical and malicious use of these tools is often defined by the intent and the legality of the actions taken. It's crucial to be aware of their existence and potential dangers. By understanding how these tools work and the threats they pose, individuals and organizations can better prepare and defend against cyber attacks. Continuous education and awareness are key components in the fight against cybercrime, ensuring that we stay one step ahead of those who seek to exploit our digital world. The human element, social engineering. Hacking apps often rely on social engineering tactics. This involves manipulating people into giving up information or access. Phishing emails are a common example. These emails often appear legitimate, tricking users into clicking malicious links or downloading infected attachments. Once clicked, these links can install malware or direct users to fake websites designed to steal credentials. Social engineering preys on human trust and vulnerability. It's essential to be wary of suspicious emails, links, and requests for personal information. Always verify the source before clicking or providing any data. Real-world dangers of hacking apps. The dangers posed by hacking apps are real and widespread. They can lead to identity theft, financial loss, and reputational damage. In extreme cases, they can even disrupt critical infrastructure and national security. Imagine your bank account being emptied, your identity stolen, or your personal photos and videos leaked online. These are just some of the devastating consequences of hacking attacks. Cybercrime is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and hacking apps are a key enabler of these illegal activities. It's crucial to take this threat seriously and take proactive steps to protect yourself. Protecting yourself. Cybersecurity tips. In today's digital age, cybersecurity is more important than ever. With the increasing number of cyber threats, it's crucial to take proactive steps to safeguard your personal information and devices. The good news is that there are steps you can take to protect yourself from hacking apps. Cybercriminals are always looking for vulnerabilities, but you can stay one step ahead by being vigilant and informed. Start by keeping your software updated, including your operating system, apps, and antivirus software. Regular updates often include patches for security vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. Make it a habit to check for updates frequently and enable automatic updates whenever possible. Use strong and unique passwords for all your accounts and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. A strong password should be a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a text message or authentication app. Be cautious about what you click on and download, especially from unknown sources. Phishing emails and malicious downloads are common methods used by hackers to gain access to your information. Always verify the source before clicking on links or downloading files. If something seems suspicious, it's better to err on the side of caution. By following these basic cybersecurity practices, you can significantly reduce your risk of becoming a victim of hacking. It's also a good idea to regularly review your security settings and stay informed about the latest cybersecurity threats and trends. Remember, cybersecurity is a shared responsibility. It's not just about protecting yourself, but also about helping to create a safer digital environment for everyone. Share these tips with friends and family to help them stay safe online as well. We all have a role to play in keeping our digital lives safe. By working together and staying informed, we can build a more secure digital world for ourselves and future generations. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay safe. The importance of ethical hacking. Not all hacking is malicious. Ethical hackers play a crucial role in improving cybersecurity. They use their skills to identify vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. These white hat hackers help organizations strengthen their defenses and protect their systems and data. They often work in cybersecurity firms, providing penetration testing and other security services. Ethical hacking is a critical aspect of cybersecurity. By understanding how hackers operate, we can develop more effective defenses and stay one step ahead of the bad guys. Stay informed, stay safe. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving. New threats emerge every day. Staying informed about the latest risks and trends is crucial for maintaining a strong security posture. Subscribe to CyberWord YT for more content on cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and digital safety. Together, let's stay ahead of the curve and protect ourselves in the digital age. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about cybersecurity, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the digital world safely and securely.